reviews.
So I like to use it in replacement of my coffee, and it doesn't have that addictiveness that coffee does as well. So this is one of my favorite superfood powders to add to my smoothies or to my coffee. So I recently discovered mud water this year. My roommate was already getting a monthly subscription to mud water, which you can order it online and it comes every 30 days, and there's about 30 servings in each container, so it's perfect for everyday use. And it's just a powder. It's made with different types of mushrooms like lion mane and chaga, and then it also has some cinnamon, turmeric, a little bit of sea salt, and chai. I would recommend this for anyone that's looking to add some new superfoods to their smoothie and get a little creative, and also see the amazing benefits that mushrooms and turmeric and all these natural ingredients have. So the mushrooms, like the lion's mane, it gives you more of a natural energy rather than the quick energy that coffee gives you and the jitters. Also, the cinnamon and the turmeric are really great anti-inflammatory agents. So with the combination of the mushrooms as well, it's just all around a great mixture to add to whatever you'd like a coffee or your smoothies. So this powder smells delicious because it's made with masala chai, and you would think that it maybe tastes a little weird because it has mushrooms in it, but you really can't taste it at all. You mostly just taste like the cinnamon and the nuttiness of the different flavor combinations.